Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical cat carrier, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose cat carriers, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cat carriers from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Henkelion Cat Dog Carrier for Small Medium Cats. Introducing the Henkelion Cat Dog Carrier for small to medium pets in a sleek gray color. Crafted by Henkelion, renowned for quality, this carrier boasts dimensions of 17L x 11W x 11H, perfect for cats and dogs alike. Made from durable polyester fabric, it's lightweight yet sturdy, ensuring your pet's safety during travel. This Airline-approved carrier features 2 loop handles for balanced carrying, doubling as a seat belt or luggage strap for secure transport. With an adjustable shoulder strap, enjoy hands-free convenience while ensuring your pet's safety. The carrier's 4-side mesh provides ventilation and allows you to keep an eye on your pet during travel. Portable and foldable, it's equipped with padded shoulder straps and handles for easy carrying and storage. However, please note that this carrier is not suitable for large pets under airplane seats and is not compatible with Southwest Airlines or Alaska Airlines due to size restrictions. Ideal for pets up to 15 pounds. Ensure a comfortable journey for your furry friend with the Henkelion Cat Dog Carrier. Number 2. Siivton 4-Way Expandable Pet Carrier, Airline Approved. Introducing the Siivton 4-Way Expandable Pet Carrier, Airline Approved, in a stylish 4-extension gray-blue design. Designed by Siivton, this carrier measures 18L x 11W x 11H, making it suitable for rats, small animals, cats, rabbits, and dogs. Crafted from durable nylon and ethylene vinyl acetate EVA, it ensures your pet's safety during travel. This Airline-approved carrier is ideal for pets with dimensions up to 15x9x9 and a weight not exceeding 15 pounds. Its unique 4-way expansion design allows for extra room, reducing your pet's anxiety during confinement. With multiple entry points and maximum air circulation, your pet can move around comfortably. Versatile carrying options include over-the-shoulder, secured in a car with a seat belt, a top luggage, or by the top handle. The Cozy Fleece pet bed is removable and machine washable for easy cleaning. Ensure a comfortable and safe travel experience for your furry friend with the Siivton 4-Way Expandable Pet Carrier. Number 3. Petsfit Expandable Rabbit Carrier Small Cat Carrier, Airline Approved. Introducing the Petsfit Expandable Rabbit Carrier Small Cat Carrier, Airline Approved, in a vibrant green color. Crafted by Petsfit, this carrier measures 16L x 10W x 9H, with an expandable size of 17.3L x 16W x 9H, providing comfortable space for small pets under 9 pounds. Constructed from durable polyester, this carrier features a solid wire structure to prevent collapsing and upgraded anti-scratch ventilated mesh windows for breathability. The removable and washable thick cushion ensures your pet's comfort during travel. With multiple carrying options including handles, a detachable shoulder strap, and a strap for attaching to rolling luggage, it offers convenience on the go. Fold it flat when not in use for easy storage. This Airline-approved carrier meets standard size rules, ensuring hassle-free travel with your furry friend. Whether on a flight or in the car, provide your pet with a comfortable and secure travel experience with the Petsfit Expandable Rabbit Carrier Small Cat Carrier. Number 4. Gorilla Grip Airline Travel Cat Carrier Bag. Introducing the Gorilla Grip Airline Travel Cat Carrier Bag in sleek black. Designed for small animals, cats, and dogs by Gorilla Grip. This carrier measures 17L x 11W x 11H, providing a durable and lightweight travel solution. Featuring 2 openings for easy entry and exit, including one at the top and one at the side. This carrier boasts a sturdy structured frame to maintain its shape. Breathable mesh windows offer ventilation and visibility for your pet, while being scratch-resistant for active paws. Enjoy a comfortable carrying experience with padded handles, flexible straps, and side hooks that rotate for convenience. The carrier includes a side pocket for storing travel documents and accessories, and a luggage band on the back for attaching to suitcases. With a waterproof bottom and a washable fleece pad insert made from durable corrugated plastic, this carrier ensures your pet's comfort and hygiene during travel. Ensure a perfect fit for your pet with easy measuring guidelines. Travel with ease and peace of mind with the Gorilla Grip Airline Travel Cat Carrier Bag. Number 5. SWUVVI Soft-Sided Cat Dog Carrier. Introducing the SWUVVI Soft-Sided Cat Dog Carrier, a premium travel solution for your beloved pets. Crafted with a firm steel frame, wooden support board, and upgraded 600D Oxford fabric, this carrier ensures durability and stability. Featuring breathable mesh windows on 3 sides, it provides excellent air circulation and views for your pet's comfort and safety during travel. With dimensions of 11L x 11W x 17H and 3 easy entrances, it accommodates pets up to 16 pounds, offering ample space for relaxation. Airline approved and equipped with a non-slip adjustable shoulder strap and padded handle, it's easy to carry and can be secured in various modes of transportation. Cleaning is a breeze with removable mats and a collapsible design for convenient storage. Safety features include a self-locking zipper and inner leash to prevent escapes. Travel with peace of mind with the SWUVVI Soft-Sided Cat Dog Carrier. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.